Have you ever bought a piece of furniture from IKEA or Amazon that was assemble yourself and it came with one of these Allen wrenches? Just cut the end off of it like that. Now take your drill and place that end in your drill. Now instead of it taking forever to screw this in by hand, just grab your drill, and after about 2 minutes, your furniture is assembled.